Got snow on your roof? Remove it the quick and easy way with an Avalanche SnowRake Deluxe. Unlike other snow roof rakes that could damage your roof, the Avalanche has wheels to protect your shingles. The wheels allow the rake to roll up the roof with less lifting and protect the roof from damage or wear. The 5 aluminum handle sections give a reach up to 20 feet. The lightweight and durable rake head is still manageable at the maximum reach. The SnowRake Deluxe clears a 24-inch wide section that moves a lot of snow. The snap-together couplers make it easy to assemble or store. This tool can be used on shingles, shake, tile, metal, and solar panel roofs. Keep your roof from forming nasty ice dams with an Avalanche SnowRake Deluxe.